right, guys, today we're going to be talking about Euro Audi, EURAUD. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So we on the 5-minute chart. So I went ahead and placed some orders. All right, got a 5, a 12, a 3, a 5, and a 3 up there. So why did I get into this trade? Because we're trading like the banks. When we do this, I got a level marked here. This is my major level. Let's go ahead and mark that out. Go ahead and mark that out. Boom. Okay, we got our major level here. Okay, so this is an obvious major level. All right. So since this is an obvious major level, are we gonna buy right from this when we get here? No. Okay. We want to wait until it kind of goes lower than that, and we want to get a better price to buy it. Okay. It's the same thing for a sell. We don't want to buy it we don't want to sell it at the level. We want to wait for it to go up, and so we can get a better price. Okay. So how do we know that this is our price of entry? Okay, so we use a couple tools here. Okay, first of all, we got our cross here on the H1. Boom. If you go down to the 30-minute time frame, I really got in on I want to say the 1 minute time frame. Actually, let's go ahead and see my specific entry protocol over here. Okay, cool. So we're here now. So here's the major level. Market came all the way down here. It went down 62 pips. This is Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, blah, blah, blah. Okay, leading into Monday. So, okay, we got our lower low, and we have here our higher low. And we also crossed above the yellow TDI line. Boom. Indicating that the pressure is now bullish. Okay, the sentiment is now bullish. The yellow line is the trader's sentiment. All right, it's now bullish. Right. So this was indicating that this was a prime price to get in for a buy instead of this level here, which was 62 pips, 85 pips actually below the level. Okay, so that's an extra 85 pips you can add onto your trade. Now, as you can see from that area here, it just shoots up, boom, and that's how you can tell again that that was a good entry. But then here you can disregard all this here because we know, boom, that was the best price, and we got our stops below that level. All right, if it wasn't the best price, so it doesn't matter. Okay, all right. So we're gonna do amazing risk management with this trade, and we're gonna do amazing risk reward this trade. So this was just a perfect trade to enter. It was just awesome. So this was Euro Audi, and now we're just waiting to see if it'll break back above this major level, which it looks like it will. Awesome entry. Boom, let's get that out the way. I got this yellow here to indicate that that was the lowest price that they were willing to buy it at, right? Market makers, bank traders, things like that, in my mind. All right. All right. So it looks like that's the area where the pressure, and we got the big money block right there. All right. So that's why I put that right there, the big money block. Okay. Now it's going to take you guys a little bit of some training your eyes to spot these zones where, because here, okay, this is why I put this block here. Okay. Market came here. All right. Let's make this black. Okay. Market went up. And what did it do after that? It hit that zone. Okay. Boom. Ricocheted off of it. Okay. Ricocheted off of it. Okay. Ricocheted off of it even higher, breaking this structure over here. Okay. And another time it came down once more. Boom. And it did what? And this was already pre-made before this was even here. So when it came back down here, we were already ready for that. We could have entered again. Boom. It's ricocheting off of that as we speak now. So you could even enter again here because now that you know this is a big money zone right here. Okay, this is where bank traders, things like that, are getting into the market here. It looks to be. All right. So you could even label it if you want. Okay, big money zone, bank money zone. Or the fact what we're gonna do it, bank money zone. That's what we're gonna do. Bank money zone. Okay. So we got a bank money zone right there. All right. I'm gonna get this out the way. Okay, we ricochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we ain't gonna count that one. Okay. We can count starting here. 1, 2, 3, and here's the fourth one. We okay, cool. We've reached a plateau. You can clearly see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you cannot see that, I will make it even more apparent. 1, 2, and 3, and now we are on 4. Okay, so we just want to kind of watch for this to make sure that this doesn't come down here. If it does, it hit our stops or whatever. Okay, we're out. Okay, on to the next. But this looks like a great entry for Euro Audi. Like I said again, this is a structure area, major level. Okay. Now here's the other level from which it started. So we're gonna look for that 300 pip pop. All right, we're gonna look for that. Okay, like I said, here's that level where it came down low, and we didn't turn that on. There we go. Boom. Came down low again. Boom. Okay. So now we came back to that level. We kind of gave it a little bit of uh, a little bit of action there, just to get the traders to start the buying, put their stop losses and things like that down here, things like that, right? So now we've reached down there, and this is going on here. So this is the correct entry that we're supposed to be looking for. Okay, and that's how you enter the market going into sells or buys. Okay, you want to enter above or below the level, and that's how you trade like the banks. Okay, guys. So if you just keep that in mind, you'll be perfect. All right. Again, Euro Audi, 5 minute time frame I'm on right now. Looking for this to go, like I said, about well, shit, 370 pips. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So you guys update. Maybe, maybe not, but other than that, that is entry. All right, guys. And maybe another video I'll explain how to use these EMAs too. That's a whole nother video in itself. All right, guys. Till then, see you guys later.